Okay, back with our 6.3 Impala. Just got in our CVF Pulley system. I thought I'd go over it and take it out and unbox it and kind of check everything out and show you what all we got in. What it is a conversion kit. We're going to take our 283 motor, which is at the machine shop. It's been there for a little while. We're waiting for it to get back, but as soon as it does, we have the kit to install on the front of it to make it a serpentine pulley system. So we put the water pump on there and then space our bracket out there, put it on the front of the motor, and then we have our AC compressor, our alternator, a power steering pump with the reservoir. We have all the pulleys and everything there for it. We have all the hardware, our tensioner, all that good stuff. Have a water gooseneck for it. So it's really going to be a pretty cool setup. I can't wait to get that done. Switch it over to a serpentine belt. What an upgrade. All right, well, let's get back at it and go from there.